This is Brenna, and
She.
she's shopping mall.
No, I'm not.
Hi.
No, she's not.
This is a canvasy box, man. We got it from Avenel's house.
No, we didn't.
From downstairs in her basement. Okay. 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 When Avenel got her fan, when I wasn't Avenel got her fan when I was in preschool. Okay. Okay. This is the fan. We're going forward, Abana.
What? Just continue with your video.
Okay. And this is the thing.
Sorry, people. I'm just getting my golf ball.
Okay, this is Brenna. And this is Brenna playing golf.
Hi, I'm Brenna.
This is a basketball. And this is Galaxy Box fan.
You have to talk louder.
This is a Galaxy Box fan. Okay.
You have to talk loud.
Okay. Okay, there's no handle. Come on, no handle.
You broke it.
This 3, 2, 1. There's 3 speeds. Zoom.
I think your video is too long. Say thanks for watching. Bye.
Okay, let's telephone.
Say bye.
Whoa. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Go to www.galaxyboxfan on YouTube. Talk to you soon. See you later. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.